Welcome to our channel. If you need to download your CVS prescription history for medical records, insurance claims, or personal tracking, follow these step-by-step instructions to access and save your prescription information. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to cvs.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in using your CVS Extra Care account email and password. Step 2. Once signed in, hover over your account name and select Prescription Management or Pharmacy from the drop-down menu to access your prescription center. Step 3. Click on Prescription History or View All Prescriptions to see a complete list of all your past and current prescriptions filled at CVS. Step 4. Use the date range filters to select the time period you need. You can view prescriptions from the past month, year, or select custom dates. Step 5. Review the prescription list showing medication names, prescription numbers, fill dates, and refill information. Click on individual prescriptions to view detailed information. Step 6. To download your history, look for a print or download option. If available, click it to generate a PDF of your prescription records. Step 7. If there's no direct download option, you can print the prescription history page and save it as a PDF using your browser's print function. Press Ctrl-P or Command-P, select Save as PDF, and choose where to save your CVS prescription history file on your computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.